I know I'm not the only one that was raised on the Nintendo, Super Nintendo, N64, has logged countless hours on those consoles. And even to this day, I will still go and get my consoles out of the closet and connect them just to play them, to feel those feelings again, those emotions, playing those games that I just grew up on. And I always cherish those times when I get to do it, because I don't get to do it often. Just getting those emotions and feelings and trying to relive what I was able to do. And it's just one of those things that is timeless. Now, if this is you, and you have not heard about this yet, these things have been around for a while. You could have got them on Android for a while now and play them on the PC and stuff. But you can now do this on iOS without jailbreaking your phone or anything like that. You can now get an emulator for your phone, so you can play games from the N64, Nintendo, Super Nintendo, Game Boy Color, Game Boy Advance, DS. You can do all of that. And now it's an app on the App Store. If you haven't checked this out yet, where have you been? It has been the craze the past week and a half, 2 weeks now. I know I'm late getting a video out, but I've been playing it, okay? And like, I just uploaded another game to the emulator, and it is so much fun. I'm getting those feelings, those emotions. It's awesome. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and that way you can do it as well. It's a lot of fun. I've played a couple different games on it so far. I've played Pokemon, of course, Pokemon Red from my Game Boy Color days. I've just started playing Zelda from the N64, loving that. And I've also played Super Mario Brothers, so that was a lot of fun. So in the next couple clips, I'm going to show you how to do it, show you everything you need to do. That way you can have as much fun as I am. So stay tuned. All right. So you're going to go into the App Store, you're going to download Delta Game Emulator, and you're going to, hit download, of course. After that, you are going to jump right into Google. You are going to Google whatever game you're looking for, ROM, R-O-M. So let's say Pokemon Stadium. It's going to be Pokemon Stadium ROM. You're going to find a website that has it. You are then going to download it. You hit the download button. It's going to pop up on the screen. You hit download. Super easy. Now you just let it do its thing, and it's going to download. Once it's downloaded, you're then going to save the file to your phone. And then in my saved files, I do have a folder set up for ROMs, just so it's easy to keep everything together and you don't got to go around looking for everything. I also throw some of the different skins in there as well. So we're going to download it. Then now we're going to add it. You hit that little plus button. Now, if the file did not come with the artwork for the game, you can just Google that and add it. Just hit change artwork like that. And then once it's added, you hit it, and you see that this is a Nintendo 64 skin. And this is just a little bit of gameplay, just to show you that the game does work. We are in Pokemon Stadium. Fun game, if you've ever played it. It's from the N64 series. Alright, so here's just a little bit of looking around the app. Depending on what games you have downloaded, you have to swipe left to right. Like one is for N64, one is for Game Boy Color. You can look at everything. This is what games that are able to be used, what game systems. There's a few different options you can do, different skins for like different color controllers and that kind of stuff. It's pretty easy. You can download all that stuff off of the Delta website. And then after that, you can also do like cheat codes. I know I mentioned that earlier in the video. If you want to do the cheat codes for like Pokemon or whatever, all you gotta do is look that up. It also lets you do like the Game Shark cheats, look up the codes, then you can put it into the cheat codes for each game. It's pretty self-explanatory, but hey, you can do a lot of different things just like you used to be able to do on the consoles or handhelds, depending on what game you're playing. It's pretty amazing, actually. So if you check this out, once you're in the game, hit the little button down there. Then there's a little cheat code button right there. You click on it, and then this is where you will add different cheat codes. Like right now, I got the infinite money and the rare candy. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. I haven't quite used the rare candy yet, but infinite money is definitely coming in handy. I remember having that back in the day whenever I had my handheld. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Okay, so now that I've showed you the app, showed you how to upload the files from your phone into the app, showed you a little bit of gameplay. If you guys have any questions or concerns, let me know in the comments. Something that I didn't mention, maybe I did. You can do cheat codes as well. You can put the cheat codes in these things. Now, cheating is not okay. We've all done the cheat code thing. If you do it responsibly, okay? But you know, at least play a little bit like the good old days before you knew about cheat codes, okay? Enjoy it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment if you got anything to say. I would love to hear from you guys. And hope everybody has an amazing day. Love you guys. All right.